Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can install Parrot OS on VirtualBox. Now I'm running the newer version of VirtualBox, version 7.1. If you go to help about VirtualBox, you'll see the version number is 7.1.4. Close this. So we'll need the ISO image. You can open your browser and search for Parrot OS download, and then go to the link that takes you to parrotsec.org, and when you get to the site you'll see there's different installation options. We want the full version, so click on that, and here you see there's the Home edition and the Security edition. So the Security edition is the one that has tools for pen testing, so this is what we want. We'll click on that, then click on this, and then you click on this to download. Now I already downloaded the ISO image, so I'm not gonna download it again. I'm gonna minimize this. Once we have the ISO image, we can create our virtual machine. So click on new, name your virtual machine Parrot OS, and then select the location where you want to install the virtual machine. I'll select the ISO image later. The type is, I'm gonna go with Linux. Let's go with Debian. 64 is fine. I'm not doing unattended install. For the hardware, you can increase this to 4 GB depending on how much memory you have available. Also, you can increase your CPU or processors. Let's look at the hard disk, and I'm going to increase this to 40 GB. I'm going to click finish. This is our virtual machine. I'm going to right click and go to settings, and let's look at the storage. We need to attach the ISO image, so click on empty, click on this icon, and then click choose a disk file, and then navigate to where you have your ISO image. Select it, click open. Now it's attached, and you can check the other settings. For instance, if you want to share the clipboard, bidirectional, and drag and drop, system, I can move this to the top. Processor, acceleration, display, you can increase this. On the network, you can leave the default NAT, or you can change it depending on how you have your local network set up. I'm going to change it to bridged adapter, and that should be it. I'll click OK, and now we can power on the virtual machine. So right click, start, normal start. Okay, so the first option is try or install. I'm going to select it, press enter. So there we are. This is the virtual machine. We'll click on install. And then you select your language here. And then next, select your region. I'm gonna go with the defaults here. Next, select your keyboard. I'm selecting English. Next. Then I'm gonna go with the erase disk. I'm gonna go with the default no swap. I'm not gonna encrypt it. I'm gonna click next. Here you'll need to put in a name. Then the name you use to sign in or to log in. And then give your computer name. Let's call it Parrot OS. Then you need to put in a password. And then next. And then this is an overview of your location, keyboard, partition. and then click on install now. And I'll pause the video and come back if we have to input any more information. So at this point the installation is all done. All you have to do is do a reboot or restart. Click done and the system will reboot. We'll come back once it's rebooted. Okay, and we have the login screen, so you just need to input your password that you created when you created the user, and then press login. And we are logged in, so we can check to make sure we have a valid IP. We do have a valid IP address, and we can also try and see if we can also try and see if we can ping, say, Google. So we can ping Google, meaning we have internet access. You can also check the version here. We can also check the version here. We can do so if you run cat etc OS release, you'll see the version. The version is 6.3. and this is the code name Lori right here. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install Parrot OS version 6.3 on VirtualBox. And as we saw, this is version 7.1 for VirtualBox. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you on my next video. Thanks. Bye.